Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you a quick modification I did to my car. It's called the LED door logo light, or sometimes it's called a ghost shadow light or welcome light. On the first of each month I'll be doing a free giveaway, so if you want a chance to win one of these free units, then all you have to do is like this video, comment below, and tell me where you shared this video. And if you'd like to check out this awesome cheap product, then just check out the link in the description below. But I'm installing it on a Lexus RCF, and you can actually find your make and model in the description below, and they make them for BMW, Mercedes, and several other different brands as well. This is what the original light housing looks like. You just pry it open from the corner with a nice plastic or flathead screwdriver, and it just pops right open, and you can just slide the whole piece out. Then you just plug in your new unit and pop it right in. Here's what the new unit looks like up close, and you can see it has a really nice flush fit to it and gives off a nice little bright LED white light. And at the very bottom of the dome it creates a little projection onto the ground. Obviously you can't see that in the daytime, but at nighttime it shows up really nice. Alright, it's finally dark outside, so now I can give you all a better visual of what these LED logo lights look like. So far I'm really pleased with the clean finish. It has a really nice bright projection, and you can see the detail in the projection on the ground. This is even with the bright street lights out, and it's not really dark outside, but it still creates a really nice output. Here's what the projection looks like onto my hand, and I'll show you the other side as well. Now here's a quick look at the right side. You can really see the logo still really good onto the ground, even with the street light right over my head. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This is a very easy upgrade to do to your Lexus or any make and model that you have, and all you have to do is literally just pop out the original housing and just unplug it and put in your new unit, and that's it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and as always, thank you all for watching. To all my amazing viewers out there, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the newest content that I upload.